Hello children, good morning. Welcome to online class. And it's me Miss Arundhati Paul, your English subject teacher. Yes, children, you have been learning about noun, pronoun, verb, right? Yes, in this class also you will learn about them in short. Are you ready children? Okay, let's begin our class. Yes, here are 8 parts of speech of English. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. Parts of speech. Yes, now first let us learn about noun. Okay, so let us see first what is the definition of a noun. Children, a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, so this word noun is used to refer a person, place, or a thing. Yeah, look at some examples. I live in Australia. Jenny is my sister. I love to play with my dog. The name of this monkey is Boo. Pacific Ocean is very vast. Yes, now about pronouns. Children, a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Just now you have learnt about noun, right? So noun is used, for a person, place, a thing, right? So, but this pronoun is used instead of a noun. Okay, so here you can see we, I, you, he, it, she. Okay, so just to look at these examples, you will understand better. Yeah, first one, this car belongs to us. I won the award. The matter is between Chris and me. We shall stand by the truth. Look at the examples. First, us, I, me, and we are the pronouns used instead of a noun. Okay? Yes. Let's move on to the next about adjectives. Yes. So, an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Okay? It add more meaning to a noun. Yeah. So here in another way it is called as a describing words. Yes. So here it describes the taste. Okay, that is sweet. Is the taste is sweet or sour like that, and it describes the about color, that is orange. See here, that is orange in color, and it describes about a smell. Is it yummy, tasty, delicious, or like that? And about looks, how it looks. She looks pretty. And about behavior, funny, serious, and how many. Okay, two roses. And sound, it describes about sound, whether it is quiet or loud. Okay, so and it is describes about feel, how it feels, soft, like that. And it is about size, whether it is short or tall. Okay, so that is about a describing word. Yeah, so let us have an example. Examples are there. They live in a beautiful house. This soup is not edible. She wore a beautiful dress. He writes a meaningless letters. Ben is an adorable baby. Rina's hair is gorgeous. Okay, so these bold words are the describing words. Yes, next about verb. Yeah, so verb is a word used to express an action or state. Okay, in another way it is called as a action words. Jump, drink, sleep. So we have plenty of verbs. So here is example. He is a doctor. Okay, he is a helping verb. Then next, he helps people get well. Okay, helps is the action word. Yes, here are some examples about how to express an action. Okay, in which way? So first is fight, cook, eat, jump, swim. So these are action words. Next, about the adverbs. Okay, so first let us understand what is adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, so just to have an example, you will understand. Girl runs quickly. How she runs? She runs quickly. This is a very sweet mango. How is the mango? It is very sweet. Okay, and the next is Peter reads quite clearly. Understand? So this add more meaning to a verb, adjective or another adverb. These are called adverbs. Yes, next about conjunctions. Yeah. So first, what is definition? What is the definition of a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. It acts as a bridge. Okay, as it connects two words or sentences together. These are linking words. They are so, but, because, or, and, for, nor. Okay, these all are conjunctions. Let us have some example. First, she bought a shirt and a book. Just look at the underlined words. You can write your paper with a pen or a pencil. I sent him a letter, but he did not respond. She laughed and entered into the room. Okay, the examples goes on. Next, about preposition. Yes. So children, preposition, it shows the position, as the name itself says that preposition. Okay, it shows the position of an object. So it plays about or the relationship of a noun or a pronoun in the sentences. Okay. Here, one example is taken as apple is taken as an example. Let us see the first picture where the apple is. The apple is on the box. And where the apple is in the second picture, it is in the box. And the third, it is beside the box. Okay, or next to box. Next, it is in front of the box. The apple is behind the box here. Okay, so here the apple is between the boxes. And here the apple is under the box. And here through the box. Okay, and it is around the box. Okay, the apple is around the box. Yeah, so here is one example. Teddy is on the bed. Where the teddy is sitting? It is on the table. Okay, the teddy is on the table. This on is preposition. Yes, can you answer me this question? Where the cat is? Yes, it is under the table. Okay, so this position of the cat is a preposition. It shows the preposition. Yes, the next is about interjections. That means how you feel. Okay, to express. Yeah, so here are some examples. That is interjection. The words we use them and express our feelings. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings. Sudden feelings. Gosh, yeah, ouch, oh, oh no, wow, hey, oops. Yeah, so here are some examples. Ah, that feels wonderful. Alas, I am lost in the wilderness. Bah, that was a total waste of time. Bless you, I couldn't have done it without you. Congrats, you won the first prize. Yes, here is we have come to an end of our class. One homework is there. So what you have to do, children, you have to keep 200 pages 4-lined notebook for English notes and write 8 parts of speech and its definition. In a simple way you write what you have learned, the definition of each parts of speech and 1 or 5 examples. Okay, and please maintain good handwriting, children, and keep it safe. Understand? Okay, then let us see what can be learned in the next classes. Understand? Okay. Take care, children. Thank you so much.